Chapter 5 Lines and Angles. Angle. We know that an angle is formed when lines or line segments or rays meet. Here you can see that angles. Here one ray and one line segment meet together. We have got these four angles. Similarly here also. Next, types of angles. And here you can see different types of angles. Here when we are observing, we could understood that this angle is less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree angle it is, and this name of this angle is acute angle. This is an acute angle because this measure of this angle is less than 90 degree. It is called the acute angle. And here we can see this angle is greater than 90 degree. Greater than 90 degree, and the name of this angle is obtuse angle. This is an obtuse angle because measure of this angle is greater than 90 degree. And the third one you can see here, it is equal to 90 degree. If an angle is equal to 90 degree, then we are calling this as a right angle. This is a right angle because this measure of this angle is equal to 90 degree. And here you can see one angle, a straight line, and an angle on this. That is, it is a straight angle. Straight angle, and measure of straight angle is 180 degree. And measure of right angle is 90 degree. 90 degree angle is called right angle. 180 degree angle is called a straight angle. Here you can see this part. This is the angle, and this is greater than 180 degree. Greater than 180 degree, and this angle is called a reflex angle. Next is complementary angles, and here I have drawn two angles. One is 40 degree and another one is 50 degree. These are complementary angles because the sum of measures of these two angles, 40 plus 50 equal to 90 degree. And we know the sum of measures of two angles is 90 degree. Then the angles are called complementary angles. Whenever two angles are complementary, each angle is said to be complement of the other angle. Here 40 degree is the complement of 50 degree and 50 degree is the complement of 40 degree. Next, finding complement of the given angles. Here 30 degree is given. We can find the complement of 30 degree very easily. So complement of 30 degree is equal to 90 minus 30 degree. That is equal to 60 degree. So 60 degree is the complement of 30 degree. And the second one, finding the complement of 45 degree. And we know complement of 45 degree is equal to complement of 45 degree is equal to 90 minus 45 degree, that is equal to 45 degree. One specialty is there for this 45 degree. It is the angle which is equal to its complement. 45 degree is the angle which is equal to its complement. Then the third one more we can do. Complement of 55 degree. Complement of 55 degree is equal to 90 degree minus 55 degree, that is equal to 35 degree. 35 degree is the complement of 55 degree. Can two acute angles be complement to each other? We can see by using that examples. Two acute angles. One is 20 degree we can take. 20 degree plus 70 degree. 70 degree is equal to 90 degree. Here you can see this 20 degree is acute, 70 is acute. Then if you are taking one more, it is 10 degree and another one is 80 degree, that is equal to 90 degree. Here both are acute angles. So our answer is yes. Two acute angles be complement of each other. Two acute angles can be complement of each other. Next is, can two obtuse angles be complement of each other? We can see by using examples. Let 100 degree be an obtuse angle and another one we can take 102 degree. These both are obtuse angles because it is greater than 90 degree. So our answer we are getting 202 degree. this is not equal to 90 degree. Sum of two obtuse angles are not equal to 90 degree. It is greater than 90 degree. So it is not possible. Our answer is no. Two obtuse angles cannot be the complement of each other. Third one is, can two right angles be complement of each other? Right angle means equal to 90 degrees. So 90 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. We know this is not equal to 90 degree, greater than 90 degrees. So no, it is not possible to be right angles be complement of each other. Supplementary angles. Here you can see that some angles I have drawn here. Let us see that first one 120 degree here and the second one is 60 degree. We can add these two angles 120 plus 60 degree, we are getting 180 degree angle. So we can say this pair 1 and 2, here it is 1 and 2 are supplementary angles because we have got the sum is equal to 180 degree. So both are supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. And similarly, look at that third and fourth one. Here you can see one angle is 42 degree and the second one is 138 degree. We can add this both 42 degree and 138 degree. We are getting 180 degree angle. So these two pairs, this one pair, it is 42 degree and 130 degree angles. These two angles also supplementary angles. That is, if the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree, then we can say that two angles are supplementary angles. Supplementary angles, if the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree, then it is called supplementary angles. Example, 120 degree, 60 degree, and another example, 70 degree, 110 degree, another example 30 degree, 150 degree, etc. Pairs of supplementary angles. And when two angles are supplementary, then each angle is said to be supplement of the other. That I'll write here, when two angles are supplementary, then each angle is said to be supplement of each other. Then one question is there, can two obtuse angles be supplementary? We have to understand this. Obtuse means more than 90 degree. So let us take any one angle. Let it be 91 degree. That is an obtuse angle, 91 degree. And plus we can take one more obtuse angle. Let it be 100. Both are obtuse angles. Here it is obtuse and this 100 degree also obtuse angle. Then see what is the sum we are getting. 191 degree. This is not equal to 180 degree. So it is not possible to get that two obtuse angles as equal to sum of these two obtuse angles is equal to 180 degree. So our answer is no. It is not possible. But we can see if it is 91 degree here and if another one is 89 degree, we can find it as 180 degree. That means here it is one obtuse angle and this is acute angle. So one acute angle and one obtuse angle can form a supplementary angle. Next is, can two acute angles be supplementary? We can take that two acute angles, any two acute angles we can take. Let it be 70 degree. And you can say another one acute angle, let it be 60 degree. Then add these two acute angles. Here these both angles are acute angles. So sum of this is equal to 130 degree only. That is not equal to 180 degree. So we can take one more example. that is one acute angle, let it be 40 degree plus another one is 75 degree. What is the sum? That is equal to 135 degree only. So this is not equal to 180 degree. From these examples we can say no, it is not possible to get two acute angles, sum of two acute angles is equal to supplementary. Not possible it is. Next is, can two right angles be supplementary? We know right angles means equal to 90 degree. So 90 degree angle plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. So definitely our answer is yes. Two right angles can be supplementary. Two right angles can be supplementary. What will be the measure of supplement of each of the following angles? Let us see how can we find the supplement of the given angle. It is very easy. In order to find the supplement of this angle, we have to find supplement of 100 degree angle is equal to, just subtract it from 180 degree. 180 minus 100 degree is equal to 80 degree angle is the supplement of 100 degree. And second one is 90 degree. We know that sum should be equal to 180 degree, and here supplement of 90 degree angle is equal to 180 minus 90 degree is equal to 90 degree itself. So supplement of 90 degree is equal to 90 degree. That means the angle which is equal to its supplement is 90 degree. That you just remind, the angle which is equal to its supplement, which is equal to its supplement is 90 degree angle. We can expect that one word question like that. Then 55 degree, and here we can find the supplement of 55 degree is equal to 180 minus 55. That is equal to 125 degree. And similarly here 125 is there. Supplement of 125 degree is equal to 180 degree minus 125 degree. That is equal to 55 degree.